Everyone online makes dropshipping look easy. Find a product, build a store, run ads, make money. Raccoon tried this. Raccoon followed every step. Raccoon lost money for 3 months straight. Not because Raccoon was lazy, because nobody showed Raccoon the real math. Today, Raccoon is going to show you exactly why most dropshipping stores fail, with real numbers, no fake guru energy. Let us start from the beginning. The product. You find a product on AliExpress. It costs $5. You list it on your Shopify store for $25. That is a $20 profit margin, right? Wrong. That is not how math works in dropshipping. Let Raccoon show you the real numbers. Product cost $5. Shipping cost from Supplier $3 to $8 depending on location. So your actual product cost is already $8 to $13. You are selling for $25. Real margin is now $12 to $17, not $20. And you have not spent a single coin on getting customers yet. The ads. Here is where most people crash. To get customers, you need traffic. Organic traffic takes 3 to 6 months minimum to build. Most people run Facebook or Instagram ads. Average cost per click in e-commerce is $1 to $2. Average conversion rate for a new dropshipping store is 1 to 2%. That means 100 people click your ad. 1 to 2 of them buy. You paid $100 to $200 in ad spend to make 1 to 2 sales. Each sale gives you $12 to $17 margin, so you spent $100 to $200 to make $12 to $34. You lost money. This is why most dropshipping stores fail in the first month. The fees. But wait, there is more. Shopify charges $25 a month. Payment processing fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. So, on a $25 sale, you lose another $1 to payment fees. Apps you need for your store. Reviews app, upsell app, email app. Another $30 to $50 a month minimum. So before you sell a single product, you are already paying $75 to $100 a month in fixed costs. Now your math looks like this. Revenue per sale $25. Product and shipping cost $8 to $13. Payment fees $1. Ad cost to acquire that customer $100 to $200 divided by number of sales. Fixed monthly costs divided by number of sales. Most new stores are deeply negative. The returns. And we have not even talked about returns. Average e-commerce return rate is 20 to 30%. Dropshipping return rates can be higher because shipping takes 2 to 4 weeks from suppliers. Product quality is inconsistent. Customer gets wrong items sometimes. When a customer returns or disputes a charge, you lose the product cost, you lose the shipping cost, you lose the payment fees, and sometimes you get a chargeback fee on top. A single return can wipe out profit from 5 to 10 successful sales. The real math. So let Raccoon give you the complete picture. Month 1, you launch your store. You spend $500 on ads. You get 5 to 10 sales. Revenue $125 to $250. Product and shipping costs $65 to $130. Ad spend $500. Shopify and app $75 to $100. Payment fees $5 to $10. Total costs $645 to $740. Total revenue $125 to $250. Net loss $395 to $615. Month 1. This is not a rare case. This is the average experience. Why people still win. So why does anyone succeed at dropshipping? 3 reasons. First, winning product. Not every product works. Successful dropshippers test 20 to 50 products before finding one that converts. Each test costs money. Most people quit before finding their winner. Second, ad optimization, getting cost per acquisition down from $100 to $15 to $20. This takes months of testing and data, not something you can do in week 1. Third, organic traffic. The most profitable dropshipping stores use TikTok or Instagram content, 0 ad spend, but requires consistent posting for months before results. The honest truth, dropshipping works, but not the way gurus sell it. It is not passive income. It is not easy money. It is a real business that requires capital to survive the losing months, patience to test products, skills to create content or run ads, time to build organic traffic. Most people who fail at dropshipping did not fail because dropshipping does not work. They failed because they ran out of money before finding what works. The real question is not, can you make money dropshipping? The real question is, do you have enough runway to survive until you do? Raccoon did not have enough runway. Raccoon learned this the expensive way. Now you know before you start. Gary approves of this message.